Let's see what's in your Mandala Glow kit. First off, you get these 6 pre-cut wooden MDF boards. They have a guideline mandala already engraved on them, which makes it super simple to just start painting. You also get special UV fluorescent paints. The kit includes a UV pen light. This creates this super nice glow effect. We've also included dot tools. We're gonna use these tools to paint instead of using a brush or a pen. The kit comes in a nice sleek cotton or jute bag, and it's the size of a tablet, can be carried easily anywhere. It's super nice for gifting. You have this little card with to and from. And this kit was designed as a social kit, like you could do this with multiple people, and it's great for off-screen time. Simply dip in your dot tool and then start dotting. It's really that simple. Because there's a pre-cut grid, you don't really have to plan your drawing or whatever, and you can just enjoy the benefits of painting. And what's really cool about it is that it glows with UV lights. So this could be super fun.